What's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about this new airdrop. Okay, this new airdrop, we are going to talk about it. You have been hearing about this airdrop, and I believe you will understand where I'm going. Okay, we are going to talk about this airdrop. So what are you waiting for? Have you subscribed to my channel? Have you turned the notification bell? Have you liked this video and turn on the notification bell? If you haven't done that, please do it, because I will be giving you great content where you will understand how to make money genuinely, how you can make a lot of money using my strategy. If you have done that, let's go. Let me show you how you can earn this money. Okay, it's very simple. I want you guys to know that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do in this channel is that once I see something that is working, I'll come direct here to show you how you can use it to make money also. So guys, this is a cloned website. Let me just put it that way, a cloned website. If you have been hearing, or if you have invested in Goatly, if you have invested in Goatly, okay, this one is something like Goatly, okay, same thing like Goatly or Goatly, any name you call it. Okay, so guys, if you want to join, it's very simple. What you need to do to join, just click on this link in the description. It will get you to this particular place called Goatly.Farm. Okay, Goatly.Farm. We are not going to do much here because we have been hearing about Goatly, Goatly, and now Goatly. So guys, you understand how this works. You need to jump in and claim your own money and leave the site, because we understand all those things. So how do we do this? It's very simple. If you have been following me through goatly.io, okay, you will understand how this goatly.farm works. It's very simple, and I don't even need to go through all those things. I just want you to know that this is almost the same thing with Goatly. Okay, this is like a cloned website. It's not the same company that is behind this Goatly. Okay, so I don't even care, because I know the amount I make on Goatly. Okay, I know the amount that I made. So I want you guys to jump in, make some money, and leave the site. Okay, so you can see that staking is 3% reward. Okay, and if you come to this place here, if you come to if you come to this place, you know that the pre-sale is $20. Okay, if you want to buy this Goatly, is $20, and buyback is 24 GTF. Okay, so guys, if you want to participate on this, just buy a little bit of it so that you won't regret why participating. Just buy a little bit, and once it's 15 days, you sell it, keep your capital, and you can trade your profit also. Okay, so it's very simple. So you can see it here, listing price is 16 GTF. Okay, you can see it here, listing price. So if you come down, you will see that earn profit easily with Goatly token. Okay, Goatly is a unique and excite meme coin, meme token that has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm. You can see this is almost the same thing with Goatly, so I don't need to be wasting our times here. So what do we need to do after registration? If you use the link, you will get yourself here, register, and after registration, you click on this claim 40 GTF. Okay, you click on that. So after claiming it, if you have money, you can add like $5 to $10, $20, to participate on this. Okay, as in this is new cloned website. Let me just put it that way, because Goatly is the main site. So all those ones is just cloned. It's just cloned once. Okay, but we are still going to try our best. Okay, we are still going to try our best. If you understand airdrops, you will know that not all airdrop that is genuine, and not all airdrop that will go live or be listed. So we participate on something like this because you can sell back. They have buyback here. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm even trying to participate on this. If there's nothing like buyback, I don't think I'll waste my time here, because I know the ones that I invested my money, I know that those ones is genuine. So I don't trust these people, but we got to try. We got to give it a chance. So what we need to do, we click on this claim. Let's claim this 40 GTF right now. Click on this. So after clicking on this, you go to your Binance and copy your ID. Okay, so once you copy your ID, you paste it here. I don't want to waste time here, so you paste it here and join our Telegram channel by clicking on this place. After joining their Telegram channel, okay, this is their Telegram channel. Once you click on this, it will take you to their Telegram channel. So let's enter the account. Let me just say Don Raf 24. So follow our Twitter. Let me enter my Twitter handle. So BEP20 address, let me go and copy my BEP20 address. Okay, you can see it here. This is BEP20. So if you are going to transfer any money here, make sure you are using BEP20. So let me go and copy my BEP20. Okay, if you have been following us from Goatly, this is very simple to do. Just follow me step by step. So this is my BEP20 address. Okay, this is USDT BEP20. You copy the chain here. You copy the BNB smart chain here, BEP20. So after copying it, you go back and paste it here. So you click on claim here. So your request will be reviewed. So I'm on wait list here. So I'm not going to do anything here again until I got the 40 GTF. Okay, so if I got my 40 GTF, then I can give it a try with $10. Okay, so there's no harm in trying. So if you don't want to invest on this platform, just claim your airdrop and leave it for 15 days, and after that you can sell it off. So we understand how this works. So this is it. So I'm in wait list here. We are still reviewing it. So you can come here to study more about this. I don't want to waste much time here. I just want it to be very short. Okay, so let's go back. Let me tell you, if you want to earn passive income, what you need to do, you need to invest. Okay, I have been teaching my audience, my students, how to invest. And before you can invest, you need to learn. That's the main thing. If you don't learn something, I don't think you will be able to make money with that. So the problem we have in this part of the world is that everybody have the mindset of Ponzi. Okay, Ponzi mindset has killed us. Okay, so I'm the kind of person that love teaching you things before I ask you to do that. So I have been teaching about this particular website. I have been talking about this, and a lot of people have started making money with it. So the name of this website is App USD. Okay, App USD. That's the name of this website, and I have been making a lot of money with this website. I've been making a lot of money with this website. So if you want to make money like me, okay, if you want to make money, all you need to do is just to come and watch this particular video. Watch these 3 videos, because I teach you how you can register, how you can fund your account, how you can add your authenticator, because without authenticator you are not going to withdraw with this website. So we are still teaching a lot of people how you can make money with this App USD. Okay, I want you to be part of my students there, because there's some secrets that I keep revealing to my students in my WhatsApp private group. Okay, the first group have filled up already. We are the second group now, and you know what it means. You are going to make money. If those people are not making money with the strategy that I'm teaching here, I don't think those people will join app USD. So I want you guys to join app USD. How do you make money with this? Everything is in this video, okay? And the beauty of it is that you are going to learn and earn. Okay, you are going to learn launchpad trading. Okay, and after learning launchpad trading, you'll be earning with app USD, and you are also earning with the investment you with the money you invested in the website. Okay, they are teaching you and you are earning. And I myself, I will be teaching you some certain things I will not be able to be talking here. Okay, that's the reason why I say that you should register using the link in this video. Okay, after register with the link, chat me up in the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link will be there. Okay, so chat me up, or you can join our Telegram channel. Chat me up and show me the screenshot. You can start with $20, okay, and you keep growing the account. Okay, a lot of people, even when I started it, if you watch this video, when I started with $20, and now I can boast of 1,000, $2,000 in different accounts. So guys, you can do this. It's not, I'm not just making mouth here. Once you come to our group, our private group, then you understand what I'm saying. So guys, I want you to start now. I want you to start now. This is investment that I will guarantee you that if you invested in this website, you are going to make your money times two. Okay, so I want you guys to join this investment platform, and we are going to make a lot of money. Okay, what is the name of this website? App USD. Okay, App USD. This is the three video. So make sure you watch this three video for better understanding, so that we can make this money together. So I still remain my humble self, online money hunter. I'm here to guide us how we can make money. Okay, so see you at the top.